Good morning. Today is Tuesday, February 3rd. I think it's the 3rd. My camera's crooked. It's always crooked. It's so irritating. Anyways, sorry about that. I am it's no longer Port Charlotte, but it's close to Port Charlotte. I only know that because I crossed over into Sarasota County. So I'm not sure which town this is, but here we are. I found a place because, yeah, I have dogs with me. And by the way, let's retract. Yesterday we did the fair. They were very good. Very, very good. I got a special leash. Don't know if I mentioned that. And it has 2 leads on it. So 1 leash, 2 leads. And they're getting used to it. That's all I can say. That's all I got with that. But I was able to keep them in the car with the tailgate open because I get backed up straight to my tent, and they were very good. They were a little rambunctious because it was a long drive, but even though there were people around and stuff, they were good about it. So got to the point where Shelby fell asleep, which is kind of funny. But anyhow, it was slow last night too, so that probably helped. Hi, Shelby. You want to say hello to everybody? Yeah? Okay. Hi. Shelby says good morning. So anyways, I left the fair last night and I went to the store, got some gas in the car, and then we went back to the fairgrounds, covered up all, well, I waited until there was nobody, like everybody was gone. Okay, and what I mean by that is there were no more patrons at the fair, and they had all the lights off and this, that, and the other. Then we went back to the fairgrounds in the parking lot, and there's a corner where it's real dark. So I put up the blankets and the sunscreen, and I let the girls run around in the parking lot. So they were happy about that because they got to run around a little bit. Then we went to sleep, and when I woke up this morning, I let them out of the car. They went potty, and they went running around in the parking lot some more. There's some grassy area too, so that's good. They were able to sniff out the stress, because that's what dogs do. They like to smell things, and sniffing a lot of things, it helps them to relieve stress. Oh, we have to get you guys something today. I forgot about that. I don't want to say that B word, because otherwise they will lose their puppy minds. So then after everybody had their fill of running around, we went to the store. We got some, no. Excuse me, what are you doing? Life with dogs. Need you to get in the back, thank you. They have food, they have water. It's in their bowls, which are on the floor of the car. So this way they don't jump in them and spill food and water everywhere. Excuse me. Still have some of that congestion left from being sick last month. Anyways, so we got coffee, and I got some snack and bacon for them because I felt that was more nutritious than a pup cup. But, you know, dogs, bacon, they like that kind of stuff. So, then I had to go to the bank, and I literally paid it 2 people last night. But hey, it was Monday. I get it. It's okay. Anyways, so I started Googling stuff, and I found a Doggie Beach. So that is where we are headed. Currently, we are heading to a Doggie Beach. So this way they can run around on the beach and they can play in the water too. How freaking cool is that? Because 99% of the beaches in Florida, your dogs cannot go on the beach. But this beach, they can go on. And I am super, super excited about this for them. So, we shall see how this is going to work. I guess it all depends on how many people are there too. But it's Tuesday. So, and it's February, so I'm not seeing like a lot of people going there at this time of the week. So that's where we're heading. We will be back when I get there, and we'll see you then, guys. Well, here we are. Shelby, lady, come. It's their first time at the beach. So I'm not sure they know what to make of it. Shelby's like, I don't know about this. It's some spicy water. They're overstimulated right now because there's a lot of dogs here, but they're fine. They just have to learn how to act. Come. This way. I said this way. Come on. But yes, they are in the water. The water is beautifully cool out, and the air is cool too. You girls having a good time? The undertow is a little strong here though. Leave the people alone. Lady, you look so funny. You got sand on your face. Oh, Jax wants to be friends, I think. Yeah. Hi, Jax. You're a little good boy? He's trying really hard. He wants to be friends. So here we are. That hurts, dog. There's a lot of people here, though. Hey, 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 we cannot split mommy in half. Come on, this way. This way. This way. Over here. Come on, back in the water. Good girls. Somebody looks really happy, though. She does. She looks like a happy dog. Miss Lady, ma'am. right, so here we are. I'm only a few minutes away from Siesta Key, but I thought I would mention that this area got hit really hard by Hurricane Milton. So I was told that Siesta Key, I was told this yesterday, Siesta Key was destroyed. I mean, I don't know if it was like Cedar Key destroyed, type of destroyed, or worse, or not as bad. But I guess we are going to find out. So we'll be there in a few minutes, everybody, and stay tuned. All right. So I have never been here before. I think I mentioned that earlier, but so I'm super excited about being here right now because I've only seen pictures of this place, and from what I've seen in the pictures, it's stunning. Oh my god. So we will, family of 4. Wow. I have nothing to say about that. It's a little, interesting. Sorry, I got distracted. Yeah. Okay. So, I mean, considering that this place was hit really hard by Hurricane Milton, it looks pretty good considering. Hi, Shelby. She's right next to me as always. Yeah. So, as I was saying, yeah, I'm like a third of a mile away. It's just, there's a lot of traffic because they're doing road work and stuff. Yeah. So now we wait. This isn't a construction thing, this is a red light. But the dogs are enjoying having the windows down and windsurfing, so I think they're having a good time considering they've never. Lady has one time. When I first got her, I took her with me on a road trip, but that was like 3 years ago. So she hasn't been on a road trip like this in a while. Shelby, I've had her since she was a baby, and she's never been out on an adventure like this before. So I think she's really enjoying herself. Siesta Beach. Okay, it says we have to turn into the parking lot now. So we're gonna do that and let's see what happens. I have to see about signs and this, that, and the other, and there's a lot of people here. Wow. This is a Tuesday, and there's like an insane amount of people here in February. I can only imagine what this place must be like in August or July or any of those summer holidays, if you will. Yeah. I haven't seen any signs about dogs yet, but that's what I'm looking for. Right. Okay. We cannot go. What the heck? Everywhere I turn, there's do not enter. Wow. Very interesting. We're gonna go this way. Okay, we can go that way. Now we have to wait on a person pulling in. Here goes us. Maybe go further. I don't know. Try to get to the other parking lot over there. But it's not working out too good for me with that. That's how you do it. Haha. I didn't know. This is my first time. I'm sorry. I'm new to this stuff. We're gonna go forward, see where that takes us. We're gonna go this way. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm still looking for no dogs allowed signs, which I have not seen any, but I do not see anybody with dogs. So, yeah, there's that. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Go this way. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I just got a glimpse of it. Wait. We'll be back. Very upset right now. I made the trip up here and I can't even see the beach. It's a hike to... Idiot. It's a hike to get to the beach, first off. Let me say that, okay? That's one. Two. No dogs allowed. So I can't go. I mean, if it wasn't such a hike, I would go take the pictures, etc. But I can't because no dogs allowed. So there's that. That's where we are. Alright, so I decided to drive around Siesta Key. I'm in the, I guess you would call it the touristy area. Where they have the little boutiques and little shops and stuff. Souvenirs and things like that. So, yeah. That's where we are. Lobster pot. That sounds interesting. We're gonna go since everybody's gonna sit here and wait. Wow. I'll never understand why people do that. Drive around and get lost. Isn't that a song? Wow. That's expensive. $7 per hour to park. Wow. Okay, Semper Fi, we're gonna go around you because you're gonna sit there and be a butthead. Can you move up so I can see where I'm going? Thank you. Why does that ring a bell? Kilman's chocolate. Just sounds vaguely familiar. Perhaps it should sound more than vaguely familiar, but right now it just seems familiar. Okay. No, you can't play with the other doggy. I'm sorry. Well, for a town that got supposedly destroyed, it looks pretty good. Considering a major hurricane came through here in October. That's the thing about Florida. It's like a phoenix. It rises up from the ashes. Siesta Key, Florida, guys. really wish I could show you this beach. I'll try to put pictures in of what it looks like, even though they're not, I can't take pictures of it, but this, yeah, it is what it is, I guess. So that's where I'm at as far as that goes. Well, I can say I came. If anything else, I can say that much. I guess now we just head back to Port Charlotte and try to get some lunch, and I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. I feel like I wasted a day. But I have to have the girls with me. It is what it is. However, I can tell you this. When I do get my RV, I will be down here again, and we will definitely go to the beach. Because I can park the RV in this parking lot. I've seen a few RVs in the parking lot. And, so I will be able to park the RV in the parking lot, and when I do, I can leave the girls in the RV and then go. So stay tuned for that. But that's going to be a couple of months from now, unfortunately. So, but they're being good right now. Lady's looking out the window, even though it's not open. She's looking out the window, and Shelby is laying down. I guess she had an exciting day. But Lady does like to look out the window. That's her thing. She likes to do that. Lady, do you want to come up front, or do you want to lay down? She wants to lay down. Okay. So that's where we are. I hope everyone has a great day. Not the video I expected to have to do, or not the turnout I expected. How about that? And yeah. So I apologize, but yeah. So stay tuned for tonight's episode of the Charlotte County Fair, and we will see you guys soon.